Alright guys, and welcome back to today's video. So if you have a Twitter account, congratulations, because you are about to receive an airdrop. So if you remember clearly, or if you have been active in this crypto space, you can remember clearly that there was a time that a lot of people connected just by connecting their TikTok accounts. They received a Sonic SVM airdrop, which worth around $700 and above. So right now guys, you have the chance right now to actually connect your Twitter account right now and actually get X coin. So it's very simple and way too easy. And right now you need to interact with this carefully and follow my step as I'm going to be doing it right now. So during the time that a lot of people were actually asked to connect their TikTok account, a lot of people got a whole lot of coin, about 500 and above. And after converting it with the current rates, there a lot of them were able to make out a lot of money. Though there was about several months of vesting, something like that. But on this case, guys, we are going to be connecting our Twitter account to actually claim the X coin airdrop. So it is very simple, and right now we are going to be getting started right about now, guys. So before I start the video properly, guys, I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel, guys, I bring to you guys all the awesome opportunities in this crypto space that's going to be helping you maximize the chances available to you in this crypto space. Also, I help you resolve most of your crypto related problem, and I also teach you a lot about crypto, guys. So if you want to be supporting this channel, please go where to look below the video you are watching right now. Just below the video you are watching right now, you are going to be seeing this subscription button right there. Just simply go ahead and click over here, guys, on this subscription button to actually subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on it like this. And after that, you go ahead and click on this bell icon and select all, so that each time we post any new video, you will get the notification immediately. After that, guys, you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. This literally means the whole world to us, and it keeps us motivated to make more educational content like this one. Go ahead and share our video to any social media platform for choice. Then finally, you put a very nice and interesting comment right here on the comment section, so that we know what you think about the video. And after doing all this that I just mentioned right here right now, you will actually stand a chance of earning yourself free tone. All right, so we actually pick winners from the comment section and reward them with tone, which we announce on our Telegram channel. All right, so right now let's talk about how we can be able to do this airdrop right now, which is connecting our X account, which is our Twitter account, of course. So right now, the first thing you need to do is simply look below the video you are watching right now. Check out the video description box. The link to this airdrop is going to be on the video description box. Once you copy the link, then you come over here to your browser, you go ahead and paste the link right here, guys, on your browser's search bar and search for it just like this, guys. This is going to be opening up a portal whereby you need to proceed with the next step, which is very, very simple, as I'm going to be doing it right here. Check your X account sentiment value score and claim free X coin. So what you need to do right here is very simple. What you need to do first is simply do your own research about this airdrop. I'm not a financial advisor. All I do here is to simply entertain you and educate you on cryptocurrency and all the stuff like that. All right, so then I'll click over here where we have rate my X. Now when I click on it, so it's going to be loading up right now, and the first thing that's going to be asking you is to actually permit this bot, that is verify that you are not a robot. You click on it like this and allow it to load up. Right now you're going to be prompted to actually complete this captcha by selecting image that contains whatever they ask you to select. In this case, they are asking us to select image that contains bicycle. So I'm selecting all of them like this, and this is simply how you verify this captcha. Once you make sure that there is no longer image that contains a bicycle, you click on verify. Okay, and after verifying it right now, this is going to be confirming that you are not a robot, and after that it's going to be prompting you to actually connect your Twitter account, that is to authorize this to actually access your Twitter account. So right now I will click on authorize app like this, and once you click on authorize app right now, it's going to be loading up, and right now you are going to be proceeding on seeing your allocation by just connecting your Twitter account. So right now, guys, our account has been connected, and right now it is analyzing it right now, and of course you get rewarded based on several factors like age verification and follower counts analyzed, and original tweet count analyzed, and X premium checked. So over here, guys, after all the checkings right now, and I have to click on view reward, and once I click on view reward right now, you can see that I've got about 6,412 X coin. Very, very simple and way too easy. So once you get to this stage, what you need to do is very simple. Simply stay tuned on this channel, because I'll be updating you guys based on anything that comes up. I'll be updating you about it, and also make sure that you are are on our Telegram channel, because any information at all, we first of all share it on our Telegram channel before we come over here and share it on our YouTube channel. Do this that I've just done right now. Check out your X account and see the reward that's awaiting you. And when you click on view account, this is the next thing that you are going to be seeing. And over here, guys, you can see that you can check out their Twitter account to stay updated by just following them, and also their Telegram channel is right here. And when you look down here, you can see this is my balance that I've got right here, and of course you can see this is my rating, which is still my balance. And if you look down here, you can see that I'm going to be getting 20% of whatever the person that I refer into this project is going to be getting. Remember, this 20% doesn't really affect your balance. Your balance will still be there, but this 20% of what you got that I'm going to be getting is coming from the system, not from your balance. Okay, so right now, guys, you can see we have some other stuff that you can do right here, like you can earn more coin. When I click on earn more coin right now, and let's see what we're gonna have right here. For example, over here, guys, you need to connect your OKX account, connect your get to the IO account, connect your follow them on X, and all this thing. You know how to complete all this, right? And after that, guys, you have now positioned very well to receive this airdrop, guys. So it is way too simple. And do not forget to share your referral link on the comment section or anywhere around our social media to actually pack a whole lot of invites. Thank you for watching. I believe you got a value out of this video. Let me know what you think on the comment section of this video, guys, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means the whole world to me. And right now, guys, the link to this airdrop is going to be on the video description of this video. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any question about this on the comment section. With that being said, I want to say thank you for watching the video, and I will talk to you on my next video. Peace out, and of course, do have a lovely day.